I've had lots of pretend tea parties for my stuffies, but this will be my first real tea party. With real tea, real snacks, and real JJ.
Sounds yummy.
It is. I can't wait. Oops, sorry, Lalu. Aww, I hope I can do it as good as Mommy does.
You will. Let's use our ladybug light to imagine your tea party so we can practice pouring. You can play pretend with us too. Yes, 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 imagine with me. It's magic when you can imagine with me. Yes, 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 play along with me. So come on, get ready, and 1, 2, 3.
It's a unicorn tea party because we're unicorns.
I have a tail. Every unicorn tea party needs a rainbow.
Tea parties always have yummy snacks. Here's a snack for you, Teddy. And you, Lalu. And you, Mr. Oliver. I'll pour the tea.
Great job! Thank you. Teddy loves tea.
Nay, thank you. Sip, sip.